First of all, with regard to wrongful death cases, and I'll give it to you from a nursing home perspective, and we'll just start with the state of Wisconsin. From a nursing home perspective, there is wrongful death, which does not belong to the resident or the injured party. That belongs to the survivors. And then there's something called an estate claim. That is the conscious pain and suffering that the resident went through for whatever the negligence was, whether that was a fall, or whether that was a choking incident, whatever it may be. But for the wrongful death aspect in Wisconsin, folks that can file a wrongful death action for a nursing home case, number one, spouse. And normally we're dealing with folks that are older, in their 70s, 80s, 90s. If there isn't a spouse, then adult children can bring a case. Let's just give an example. Let's say there's 4 kids in a family. One of the sons predeceased the mother. That's one thing about these malpractice cases is you get into other areas like probate. So I'm going to throw out 2 terms to you. Per stirpes. And what that means is this: if you've got 4 children, one of them predeceased mom. Who can bring that case? The 3 children that remain, the 3 children that are alive, assuming that resident is single. And then that 4th, the son, let's say he had 4 children. On a wrongful death claim, there would be 4 separate claims, so 25%. And then the deceased son's children would have 1 share. So those 4 folks would have 25% of that case. But again, the wrongful death belongs to survivors. That is the relationship, what they've lost, how often they would see their loved one, what they missed about it, whether they could tell that, that their mom or dad knew that they were there. And that's a great loss. And oftentimes people remember how somebody died as opposed to how they lived. And that's one of the things we deal with all the time in nursing homes when somebody's taken away unnecessarily or prematurely.